The challenge of group discussions. Think about it. Every time you share your ideas or listen to others, you're honing skills that are crucial in the workplace. Whether it's public speaking or critical thinking, group discussions are a masterclass in practice. It's not just about talking, it's about engaging with others. Imagine a room filled with 20 people, each with their own unique perspective. That's what makes group discussions so dynamic and educational. Think of it like a race. If you set clear goals, you're more likely to win. For example, one student might aim to contribute at least 3 points in every discussion. That's a clear goal that focuses on growth, not just grades. Imagine you're going to a debate. You wouldn't just show up without preparation, right? The same goes for group discussions. If you're well prepared, you'll be more confident and contribute effectively. According to research, the most successful participants spend about 30% of their preparation time on planning and organizing their points. This ensures that you have a structured approach, making your contributions more impactful. Imagine a story. You have an introduction, where you set the scene. Then it's time to develop your points, exploring different angles. Finally, you conclude by summarizing the key takeaways. This structure helps keep your discussion organized and focused. Active listening can actually improve your grades by 50%. This is because it shows that you're engaged and thoughtful, making you a valuable participant. It's like being the best listener in a conversation. Everyone wants to share their ideas with you. Timing is everything in a group discussion. Knowing how much time you have for each part helps you stay on track and make the most of your contributions. Think of it like a game of catch. If you're actively listening, you're paying attention to the ball and ready to throw it back. This keeps the conversation flowing smoothly and ensures that everyone's ideas are heard. This quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson is a powerful reminder. By being an active listener, you're not just absorbing information. You're gathering the resources to speak up confidently and contribute meaningfully. Imagine a discussion where each contribution is worth 10 points. Even if you only add 1 point, it's still valuable. The key is to be thoughtful and contribute meaningfully, no matter how small. Imagine you're leading a group discussion. Your role as the leader is different from that of a participant or observer. Each role requires unique skills and responsibilities. Active listening is more than just hearing the words. It involves engaging with the speaker, asking questions, and responding thoughtfully. Passive listening, on the other hand, may make you miss key points. Did you know that 55% of communication is nonverbal? Your body language, facial expressions, and gestures can either support or undermine your message. Mastering these cues can make a significant difference. Contrary to popular belief, introverts can also be effective group discussion participants. It's all about preparation and knowing when to speak up. Stat: the power of one voice. Compare silent participation versus active contribution. Timeline: the process of building a strong discussion. Think about a classroom discussion. Students who come prepared and contribute thoughtfully are often seen as more valuable participants. Their contributions are remembered, making them stand out.